This short video tutorial will address how to take SPSS data output tables and export that data and those tables into Excel. I'll also show you how to do it in Google Sheets if that's your preferred platform. Just a note, I'm using a MacBook for this particular demonstration, so this is going to be specific to a Macintosh environment. However, some of the mechanics are very similar in a PC environment. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I want to find the table that I want to export. In this case, I'm going to do descriptive statistics. I'm going to right-click that table and go to Export. And you'll see this window pop up. And I want to choose from the type Excel 2017 and higher. That's the XLSX file type. And I'm going to hit OK. And so what that's going to do is it's going to create a file on your desktop called output. So let me go ahead and open up that file and show you what that looks like. So as you can see, it's taken the data file, the table from SPSS, and it's put it into Excel. And now if I want to change the headers or make it APA formatted, I can do that, so on and so forth. Okay? So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to just right-click and copy. And this is going to take the raw data. And what I want to do is open up Excel, and then I can click in this little corner up here to grab the whole spreadsheet. And this Command V or Control V, if you're on a PC, it's Command V. If you're on a Macintosh, just click through OK, and it'll put the raw data into Excel as well. And that same thing works in Google Sheets. So here I have a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Again, click the top left-hand corner or the first cell and Command V. So again, it's done it just as you would want it, and you can just go ahead and rename any of these cells. You can format it, to have the horizontal lines, but not the vertical lines, to make it APA formatting, so on and so forth. So that's how you take a SPSS table and copy it into Excel. Two different ways.